Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to see volume in TradingView. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TradingView account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you create an account on TradingView? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you into the official website for TradingView. Now, once you get into the website for TradingView, follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TradingView. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to see volume in TradingView. So for you to do that, you have to open up a chart. Now you can head over to the top corner where you have all of these tabs, click on markets and open up any market of your choice, and it's going to take you right into the charts window. So I have my Tesla chart already, my Tesla market chart already open, and now that I'm here, now if I want to see the volume in this chart, all I need to do is to head over to the top corner where you have indicators. So go ahead and click on indicators. So from this indicators, I'm going to look for volume. I'm going to search for volume in the search bar. No, that was not rightly spelled. So this is volume. So from this volume, I'm going to check on okay. So I'm just going to click on volume. Now you see. All right, so volume has been added. So I'm clicking on that again. Okay. So volume has been added in the indicator. So look at it. Volume has been added. So this is the volume right here in this chart. That is how I will be able to see the volume in TradingView chart. So this is it. This is the volume. So you can go over again and click on indicators, go over to technicals and click on volume. So maybe you can use volume delta if you want to, net volume, any kind of volume. So just click on that. You see that that's going to be added. So there's like added five volumes, and they're all here like volume, 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 volume. So that's how to see volume. Now we can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.